our introduction, our workshop is all about basic scuba diving and how to communicate underwater using hand signals. In this picture and the first day of our basic scuba diving seminar workshop on May 26, 2025, instructor Excalibur Satara showing the important course in scuba diving. On this picture, we already do the basic scuba diving with having an equipment like snorkel, fins, wetsuit, BCD, regulator, and scuba tank. Also, instructor Satera teach us how to communicate underwater using the hand signal. Reflection on our scuba diving training seminar workshop is that first we'll learn the importance of safety protocols and procedures in scuba diving, emphasizing that safety should always come first. It is very crucial to note how to navigate scuba equipment. We also acquire new skills including diving techniques such as buoyancy control and navigation. Additionally, we learn how to properly use scuba equipment, familiarizing ourselves with its operation. We also mastered hand signals for underwater communication. This meaningful knowledge and skills has a great impact in every learner, simplifying to become a good navigator in water survival technique. Also, I want to say thank you to our scuba instructor, Sir Escobar Satera. Your presence and dedication in every position has a meaningful impact to every student. Overall, we had a great experience in our scuba diving trainer seminar's work.